how to check your earnings on Fancily. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can check your earnings on Fancily. So let's start. First of all, go to fancily.com and then log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now since we are talking about earnings, you must have already applied and get verified for the creator mode. Unless you are a verified creator, you can't access the earnings page or make any post. So considering you are a verified creator, in order to check your earnings, you can simply tap on your profile icon on the top left. In case you are on a PC or a laptop, you can simply tap on the profile photo. After that, go to add payment method. Now assuming you are a verified creator and have already added your card or payment information, you will find your earnings details in this page. So when you open add payment method, you will get information about your wallet and earnings on the screen. It might take a couple of days for your earnings to load on your wallet after you have made the sale. So make sure you wait patiently for a couple of days in order to see all of your earnings. So in this way you can check your earnings on Fancily. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.